Time intelligence calculations are one of the most important calculations and also one of the most popular calculations that we do on Power BI using DAX. And to make all that job easier for us, DAX already has a couple of functions, actually a lot of functions that are called the time intelligence functions. So these functions are not scalar functions because their results are in tables. So they are table functions that work on dates specifically. So they work on dates, and what they do to the date is to filter the dates based on whatever the function is doing. So some functions, for example, are going to filter the date to select year to date, that is from January to particularly selected date. Some of them are going to work to select a previous year, some work to select previous month, and so on and so forth. So for these guys to work properly, they actually require a marked date table in Power BI. So before you start to write all those time intelligence calculations, the first thing we'll have to do is to create a date table, or sometimes I prefer to call it a calendar table within Power BI. So that's what we'll do first.